Now let's solve this question together. We are to solve for x and y. Okay. Now there is a condition here which says x is not the same as y, and therefore we can't equate x to y. All right, so let's get started. Solution. Now from here we will label the first one x squared equals to y plus 13 as equation 1. Okay, and y squared x plus 13 as equation 2. Now let's add to the two equations and see the result. So equation 1 plus 2, so it will be x squared plus y squared equals to, so x plus y plus 26. So let's call this one the third equation. Okay, now let's also find the difference here. So that would be 1 minus 2. Okay, so that one also amount to x squared minus y squared. Okay, and it will be y minus x, and this side will vanish. So that will be equation 4. Now let's build on equation 4. X squared minus y squared, and we have y minus x. So it's the same as x squared minus y squared. Okay, so it will be plus x minus y equal to 0. Now remember that this one is a difference of two squares. So when we're given a squared minus b squared is same as a plus b, a minus b. So we have x plus y, x minus y, plus x minus y equal to 0. Okay, now we can factorize x minus y out here. That will be x minus y, and I'll be left with x plus y plus. So I've taken this one out to be left with 1 here equal to 0. So with the 0 product, x minus y equals to 0, or x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. So we have x equals to y. Now remember, x can never be y. It's a condition in the question, so this one is rejected. Okay, so let's focus on this. X plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So we have x plus y equals minus 1. So let's name this one the fifth equation. Now let's build on the equation 3. Okay, x squared plus y squared equals x plus y plus 26. From equation 3, x squared plus y squared, okay, equals to, so x plus y plus 26. Okay, now let's check what is x plus y here. X plus y is -1, so x plus y is -1. So we can plug in x squared plus y squared equals -1 plus 26. Therefore, x squared plus y squared is the same as 25. Okay, now let's observe something here. Now, when we're given a plus b all squared is the same as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay, it means that a plus b all squared minus 2ab is the same as a squared plus b squared. Very powerful. Okay, now let's check this x squared plus y squared. Okay, a squared plus b squared is the same as this minus that. So from here, we can write this one as x plus y all squared minus 2 times xy, okay, equals to 25. Okay, now, so what we have is x plus y. So let's do the substitution. X plus y is -1. So all squared minus 2xy, 25. Okay, so this side is 1 minus 2xy equals to 25. So let's subtract 1 from both sides. That will be minus 2xy equals 24. Therefore, xy will be 24 on minus 2. That will make xy equals to minus 12. Okay, so that will be the sixth equation. So remember, we have x plus y equals -1. So x plus y equals -1, equation 5. And equation 6 is xy equals -12. That is here. Okay, so the question is demanding for x and y. So let's solve for x and y. So this is the sixth equation. Now from equation 6, from 5 rather, y, okay, or x is the same as -1 y. That will be the seventh equation. Put 7 and 6. So we have x, y. So -1 minus y times y equals -12. Minus y squared equals -12. So the same as y squared plus y minus 12 equal to 0. So this one is a quadratic. Okay, so y squared plus y minus 12. So -12. So two numbers, when we multiply them to give us -12, but when we add to give us 1. So 4, 3, okay, 4 and -3. So that will make this side y squared plus 4y minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. y plus 4 minus 3 out, y plus 4 equal to 0. So we have y plus 4, y minus 3, y plus 4, y minus 3 equal to 0. That will make this side y equals -4 and 3. Don't forget we have to solve for x and y. So if y is -4 and x is 3, let's use equation 1. Or we can use 7. X equals -1 minus y. x equals minus 1 minus y. So if y is minus 4, so the first answer for this, x will be minus 1 minus 4. X will be minus 1 plus 4. That is 3. So we have this. Okay. When y, okay, when y is minus 4, x is 3. Okay. Now let's go to the other one. So x equals minus 1 minus y, that is 3. X equals minus 4. So it means they alternate. Okay. When this side is minus 4, this side is 3. So it's symmetrical. Okay. So that's that. All right. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right.